Oh, very good afternoon, everyone. And myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial session, which is given in the Hindu newspaper. In this editorial session, I'm going to discuss you the vocabulary part and briefly analyze you the two articles which are present in this session. Firstly, we'll move quicker and faster into the first editorial. The first editorial is Rajasthan Lessons, and the second editorial is Just Closure. Okay, so we'll uh, deeply discuss about Rajasthan lessons. Rajasthan lessons. What does the meaning of lesson? What does lessons indicate? So generally, it says that more about Rajasthan. Okay, what else is going on? What is how is the culture and everything? If the truce in the Congress is to endure, both factions must mend their ways. If the truce in the Congress, what is meant by truce? Truce is nothing but agreement between enemies, cease fire. Let us take an example. The fragile truce between the sides is not expected to last long. So, like every state will have enemies. So, what is the meaning of truce? Agreement between two states or agreement between Rajasthan's enemy. The crisis in the Congress in Rajasthan that nearly brought down the government led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot was blown over. The crisis means the situations in the Rajasthan, in the Congress in Rajasthan that nearly brought down the government. It put down the government led by the Chief Minister Ashok. Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Ashok Gehlot has blown over. Means like importance has blown over. The group led by Sachin Pilot has reiterated its loyalty to the party, though the standoff cost him the post of Deputy Chief Minister and State Party Chief. The group led by Sachin Pilot. Sachin Pilot is also leading a group. Has reiterated. Reiterated is nothing but restate or retell or repeat. For example, she reiterated that she had not broken the plate. So, in this example, what is the situation is that for suppose I have broken a plate. So they are thinking that I had broken a plate, but I did not break it. So what I am reiterating them that I did not break the plate. That's nothing but it. They are restating its loyalty. They are bringing back the loyalty to the party, though the standoff costs him, and he is a deputy chief minister and the state party chief. The truce is an outcome. We already discussed truce. It's an agreement between enemies or ceasefire. The truce is an outcome of the realization on both sides that their positions had become self-destructive and unsustainable. Unsustainable is nothing but not able to be maintained at the current level. For example, the level of spending is unsustainable. Unsustainable. Mr. Gehlot, who is Mr. Gehlot, Chief Minister of Rajasthan, faced the risk of losing the government, while Mr. Pilot stared at the unnerving prospect of a life outside the Congress. Unnerving. So unnerving is nothing but nervous. So sometimes when you're going to receive your progress card on the parent meeting, so you'll be so nervous. What does your teacher say to your parents? That is nothing but unnerving. So causing one to lose courage or disconcerting. For example, I think it unnerved me to be interviewed by so many people. The turmoil in Rajasthan has also been yet another condition to note with deep concern the tendency of judiciary to overstep its limits set by law, brazen partisanship of the governor, and misuse of the central agencies to tilt the political balance. The turmoil in Rajasthan, okay, has also been yet another occasion. There is another occasion to note with deep concern, concerns, the tendency of judiciary. The tendency is nothing but move. tendency of judiciary to overstep its remit set by law. Remit is what is remember remittances or what is remember remit. Remit is nothing but to send back money or payment as a gift. So remit is nothing but cancel, set aside, revoke, send money in a payment or as a gift. For example, his prison sentence was remitted to 2 years. Brazen partisanship of the governor. Brazen, bold, shameless. For example, she told a brazen lie. The crisis was primarily internal to the Congress, but the Bharatiya Janata Party's maximalist approach to capture power at all costs was evident. The crises were very much internal, but the Bharatiya Janata Party, maximum of the politicians or the people are but BJP's only approach to capture power at all costs was evident. The unseemingly power struggle had derailed governance in the state in the midst of a pandemic. So unseemingly is nothing but not proper or appropriate, indecorous, improper. Example, he spent unseemly amounts of money on himself. Had derailed, okay, derailed. For example, sometimes we will see the train has derailed. So it has crossed the track and come outside. So many accidents would also happen like this. Cause a train to leave its track or else to divert. For example, renewed fighting threatens to derail the peace talks. The next one, now that a settlement had been reached, they reached to a settlement. Next one is the center and the state, the Bharatiya Janata Party and all sections within the ruling party must come together to combat the pandemic, to fight with the pandemic. The Congress is facing the most severe crisis in its history and it cannot afford any complacency in keeping its house in order. Yes, Congress is facing a lot of crisis and it is in a stage that it cannot keep its own house in its order. The party is constantly at receiving end of Bharatiya Janata Party's relentless onslaught and in March it lost government in Madhya Pradesh which it had won in 2018 along with Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. Yes, the party is constantly receiving end of Bharatiya Janata Party's relentless onslaught and also in March it lost elections in Madhya Pradesh which it had won in 2018 along with Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. According to Mr. Gehlot's own admission, there was no communication between him and Mr. Pilot ever since the formation of the government in 2018. Yes, it's true. That is a sad commentary on the party. Mr. Pilot has said he resorted to rebellion only after his grievances went unheeded. Resorted means turn to or adopt a course of action, use, exercise. For example, he got hold of the money legally without resort to violence. Unheeded is nothing but, so generally your teachers say that just heed is nothing but to concentrate, to listen carefully. Unheeded means neglecting or ignoring or disregarded. For example, that is my personal view, but probably it will go unheeded. Okay. This brinkmanship might have taught them both and the party's central leadership some lessons for the future. The resolution of the crisis took the intervention of former Congress President Rahul Gandhi. Former Congress President is Rahul Gandhi, who commands the loyalty of both. He could have resolved it earlier or even preempted the crisis altogether. He could have resolved this problem together or he could have preempted. Preempted means forecast, you can't say forecast exactly, forestall, prevent or anticipate. For example, state laws preempted local governments from restricting newspaper displays. Okay. Next one is, there is no single model for running a political party, but the nature, history, and the character of the Congress impel it to be consultative and deliberative in its internal and external conduct. The Congress impel. What does remember impel? Force, compel, oblige, urge to do something. When I see the meeting, I feel impelled to eat. I feel impelled to eat too. Okay, as Rajasthan demonstrated. Okay, Mr. Gandhi has a role to play in facilitating this. Mr. Gandhi has been focused on building a critic of the Bharatiya Janata Party and its government, but such politics will be effective only when reinforced by a strong organization. He has strong opinions on what the Congress should ideally be, but he has no option but to start with what it currently is. Yes, what is this is, so BJP has failed in the elections. So in some of the states. So even though Rajasthan Chhattisgarh, it won in the elections in Rajasthan Chhattisgarh in 2018. So this is all about Rajasthan Congress and BJP. However, this will be continuing every time. So I think today's article is a little bit is very clear to you, and I think everyone of you understood the critical words which are given in the article. I'm also very thankful to all of you who are watching this video.